back to Cowboy Ranch Life channel. My name is Justice, and today I'm going to be narrating a 7610 that got stuck story. So, a guy that works with us was brush hogging, as you can see, was behind the 7610. And I find this very interesting because it seems like I'm always the one that gets stuck, and someone else got stuck, so I'm kind of thrilled about it. Well, kind of thrilled. Not happy it happened, but happy it happened to somebody else, if you get what I'm saying. So, anyway. The guy worked with us got stuck. He was brush hogging along a ditch. It's kind of below a pond. It's kind of always wet there, but he was looking, and from what he's told us, the window was dirty a little bit, which they were, I'll give him that. And it was a little soft and a little grassy, and he thought he was going good, and it looked good, but then before he realized it, he was spinning, and then he tried to get out, and he could not without just keep wallowing and wallowing and wallowing. So then we came, luckily there was another tractor in the next field over, also brush hogging, so drove over there and just pulled him right out. It wasn't a big deal. As you guys can see in the video, it just backed right out. So I guess with that, roll the stuck clip. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video you just saw. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe if you guys want to, and also when you do, if you would, hit the notification bell so then you guys are notified when all more of our videos come in. And also you guys can follow us on Instagram, Cowboy Ranch Life channel, all one word. Hope you guys enjoyed the video you just saw. I guess with that, we are going to wrap it up for the night, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.